Hi, this is PZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see more political content on your suggested content and Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Political content is likely to mention governments, election, or social topics that affect a group of people and or society at large. This affect suggestion in your explore reels, feed recommendation, and suggested user on your Instagram. So, uh, what if you want to see more political content on your Instagram? Like if that from your explores or your suggested content, you can change your political content control setting at any time by like this. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down and you can choose on suggested content. You can tap on that and you'll see there is several options and there is an option political content. You can tap on that because we want to set settings. So here's the settings. By default, it's settings to limit political content from people that you don't follow. So you might see viewer political or social topics in your suggested content. And if you want to change the setting and you want to see more political content on your suggested content, like in your feed suggestion, on your explore in Instagram, you can tap on or choose on don't limit political content from people that you don't follow. You can tap on that. So you might see more political or social topic in your suggested content. This affects suggestion in the explore, reels, feed recommendation, and suggested users. It does not affect the content from accounts that you don't follow. That you follow, I mean. This setting also applies to your threads if you have a thread from this Instagram account. So that is how to see more political content in your suggested content on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.